Hello children, let's learn the digraph ch. Letter C, k. Letter H, h. Together makes ch. Let's see the ch used at the start of the word. Ch, chair. Ch, chair. Ch, cheese. Ch, chopstick. Ch, chopstick. Ch, chin. Let's see the ch used in the middle of the word. Kitchen, kitchen. Ketchup, ketchup. Matchbox, matchbox. Used at the end of the word. Bench, bench. Pitch, pitch. Switch, switch. Ranch, ranch. Letter C, letter H together makes the sound ch.